Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss everything related to money and how to build wealth. Today, we're going to talk about 7 money tips for teenagers to make $1 million. Yes, you heard that right, $1 million. So, if you're a teenager, pay close attention because these tips can help you set a solid foundation for your financial future. Invest in yourself. Tip number 1 is to invest in yourself. This means that you should focus on developing your skills, knowledge, and education. Take courses, attend seminars, read books, and do everything you can to improve yourself. The more knowledge and skills you have, the better you will be able to make money in the future. Start a side hustle. Tip number 2 is to start a side hustle. This means that you should look for ways to make money on the side, in addition to your regular job or school. This could be anything from selling products online, providing services to people in your community, or starting a small business. The key is to find something that you enjoy doing and that can make you money. Learn to save. Tip number 3 is to learn to save. This means that you should learn to live below your means and save as much money as you can. Set a savings goal and work towards it. The more you save, the more money you will have to invest and grow. Invest early. Tip number 4 is to invest early. This means that you should start investing your money as soon as possible. The earlier you start, the more time your money will have to grow. Look for opportunities to invest in stocks, real estate, or other assets that can appreciate in value over time. Avoid debt. Tip number 5 is to avoid debt. This means that you should try to avoid taking on debt, especially high-interest debt like credit card debt. If you do need to borrow money, make sure you can afford the payments and that you have a plan to pay it back. Build a network. Tip number 6 is to build a network. This means that you should surround yourself with people who can help you achieve your financial goals. Find mentors, join groups, and connect with people who have similar interests and aspirations. They can provide valuable advice and support that can help you succeed. Be persistent. Tip number 7 is to be persistent. This means that you should never give up on your dreams of making $1 million. It may take time, hard work, and dedication, but if you stay persistent, you will eventually reach your goal. Remember, success is not an overnight process. It's a journey that requires constant effort and commitment. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and strategies, anyone can achieve financial success. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more money tips and advice. Thanks for watching.